How do you say, where is the hotel in French? The question, where is the hotel in French, is où est l'hôtel? Où est l'hôtel? For example, Excusez-moi, où est l'hôtel le plus proche? Excusez-moi, où est l'hôtel le plus proche? Excuse me, where is the nearest hotel? The où est part simply means where is, and you can put any noun after it. Où est le restaurant? Où est le restaurant? Where is the restaurant? Où est Pierre? Où est Pierre? Where is Pierre? So to ask where the hotel is in French, you say où est l'hôtel? Où est l'hôtel? If you want to learn to speak French, you can get my course 3-Minute French by going to www.3minlanguages.com. And if you use the code WELCOME on checkout, you can get a discount. Merci.